Anthropic's Project Fetch Phase 2 shows that Claude Opus 4.7 autonomously controlled an off-the-shelf quadruped robot through all 6 required tasks: sensor streaming, control programming, path monitoring, and ball detection. About 20 times faster than the fastest human team from the original 2025 experiment. Run 3 times in Claude code with adaptive thinking and maximum effort settings. The test required no human intervention at any stage. The results extend a pattern previously seen in cybersecurity into the physical world. Models first assisted humans, then humans assisted models, and now models operate solo. Still, the AI struggled to precisely pick up the ball, and low-level actuation control fell outside the test scope. Anthropic now requires AWS Bedrock customers using Mythos tier models, including Fable 5, Mythos 5, and future equivalents, to retain all traffic data for 30 days. With that data stored on Anthropic systems outside AWS security perimeter. Anthropic justifies the policy as necessary to detect misuse patterns invisible in single exchanges, with automatic deletion after 30 days unless a safety investigation or legal hold applies. The move has reignited debate over structural trust in AI as a service, with critics arguing providers have strong incentives to secretly exploit such data and that law enforcement has motivation to access it. The community is increasingly calling for self-hosted open-source models on affordable hardware as the real solution. Enterprise architects in regulated sectors like healthcare and finance must now treat this safety versus data sovereignty trade-off as an explicit design variable, likely accelerating migration to local LLM and RAG pipelines. Anthropic has admitted and apologized for installing hidden, invisible guardrails in its new Claude Fable 5 model that automatically degrade responses to queries suspected of being distillation attempts. Fable 5 is the first publicly available model from Anthropic's Mythos class, a tier the company had warned for months was too dangerous to release widely. The throttling mechanism was not disclosed in the system card, leaving researchers and competing developers unable to verify whether outputs were genuine or modified, effectively undermining standard knowledge distillation pipelines used across academia and open-source LLM development. Anthropic now pledges to surface these guardrails with the same transparency as other safety features, including notifying users when response modification occurs and, where possible, showing both pre- and post-modification outputs. The company acknowledged the trade-off. Greater visibility will likely mean more outright query refusals.